And welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 15th to the 19th of June 2026. On Monday, Babekazi exposes Mbata's fake Mexico trip and threatens to destroy his political career. Sipo's stolen taxi shatters his hope for the future, while the terrifying truth behind the love letters reveals criminals using chemical weapons to paralyze their victim on Tuesday. Lily confirmed the prison still living inside her. Kwamasho tends to fight rising terror. Sholipi's lies finally cost her everything on Wednesday. Lily is forced into a difficult situation but chooses to the easy way out. Sholipi faces the worst humiliation. Sbu battles with sin once again on Thursday. The KKC hosted a prayer session for Kwamasho's rising crime rate with hope that it will help community members regain confidence in their community. Mbata and the Babekazi make a plan to get Mbata back to work and Smiso get left behind in their newfound union on Friday. Nkazimolo shocks Kwamasho with a risky promise on live radio. Lily takes a brave step toward reclaiming her freedom, and Sbu and Figila's love deepens after the revival. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.